and welcome back to Akshita's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today's recipe is a super simple snack recipe. You can also serve it as a starter, and it's potato cheese balls. It's completely veg and it's super simple with stuff that we have in our homes, in our pantries. And I'm sure your kids and your family are going to love this surprise snack. You can make it for them during this lockdown, and I'm sure everyone's going to love it. So let's head on to my kitchen and make today's lovely potato cheese balls. So let's see today's recipe, which is super simple and delicious, potato cheese balls. So first we're going to start by making the potato covering. Now for that, I've taken some potatoes, just boil them. I'll leave the instructions as to how to boil the potatoes, peel them and just grated them very fine. Now I'm going to add some pepper powder, about a teaspoon of pepper powder. All ingredients with their exact measurements will be in the description box below. This is again 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Then here I have some crushed garlic, about 5 to 6 cloves. If you have garlic powder, then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and some salt to taste. We're going to mix all of this well into the potato. And then we're going to add just about 1.5 tablespoons of cornflour and about 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. I will leave a recipe at the end of this video as to how to make your own breadcrumbs at home. Now I'm going to make a corn slurry. So I've taken about 1 tablespoon of corn flour and about 1/4 cup of water and made a slurry. So now our potato covering is all ready. Our slurry is all ready. And I've just cut up some cheese cubes. So these are some cheese cubes which I've cut. Try to cut them into small even sized squares, and then we're just going to flatten up the potato filling like this, make a hollow like this, and then just place one of the little cheese cubes inside, and then again cover up the entire thing. And in this way we'll make all of these balls and keep them aside. Now you could add grated cheese too, but then you add these little cheese cubes, and once you bite into them, it's the cheese really melts once you fry it, and it's really, really delightful. So now once all the balls are prepared, we're just going to dip them into this slurry that we've prepared, and then we're going to dip them into this breadcrumbs. So they look like this, and then just keep them aside. You can also start heating up your oil on a low to medium flame. So I have left a recipe at the end of this video of how to make breadcrumbs at home with leftover bread slices, sides. That is, sometimes we make sandwiches and we leave the sides. Don't throw them away. You can store them in your refrigerator in a steel box, and then after that just roast them and grind them up. I'll show you. You'll see that at the end of the recipe. And now that my oil is nice and heated up, I'm just going to deep fry these potato cheese balls till they're nice and golden brown in color. So don't overcrowd your pan. Put about 3 depending on the size of your pan, and keep an eye on them so they don't get burnt, and see that they're evenly fried. And keep your flame from low to medium, not on a very high flame. And they have to come to a nice golden brown color evenly all over. And once they're done, you can just drain the excess oil on a kitchen towel or kitchen napkin. And there they are, friends, all ready. So let them cool down before you bite into them. And they're really, really nice and crispy, and the outer covering also is really nice. So now we're just going to cut open one and see what it looks like inside. So take a nice sharp serrated knife, and there you can see the lovely cheese cube inside. So once you bite into it, it's just it just melts in your mouth and it tastes really lovely. So you can go with any type of cheese. You can even go with the stringy mozzarella. I've just gone with the simple Amul processed cheese. That's our favorite at my home. So that's the recipe for today. I hope you like it. subscribers away from touching the 10,000 subscriber mark, so help me get there by subscribing to my channel. It's completely free. And once you do subscribe, a small little bell icon will show up. Click that bell. That way, whenever I put up a new video, you get a message for the same, so you won't miss out any of the stuff happening on my channel. Also, if you're looking out for any recipe, on the YouTube search button, type the recipe and just besides it, type Akshata's recipes and you'll come straight to my recipe. So you don't need to go and search for my recipe, you just find it that way. For example, if you're looking out for egg fried rice, just type egg fried rice, Akshata's recipes and my recipe will come out first. Also, I'm very active on Facebook, on Instagram, as well as I have my own blog page. All links are below, so you can write to me there. You can send me pics of the recipes that you've made on my Insta page or on my Facebook page. I would love to hear from all of you. Also, at the end of the video, you will see 2 small square screens with videos. You can click on them if you want to see those recipes. Also, in the middle of the video, you will see something sliding on the top right hand corner saying suggested. Those are also my videos. If you want to watch those, you can click on them too. So all that being said, thank you so much for watching today's video and being part of my channel. And I will catch you sooner than you think in my next video or next recipe. Take care, guys. Stay safe, stay at home, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. And I'll see you soon. Bye.